Hi everybody, I have officially made it to London. I am on my winter break and I am about to tour through Europe for 9 days total. So I don't know if I'm gonna do one vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna break it up. It depends how much stuff I get and how long it is. But I figured I'd do an intro for the whole thing just to start off. Yeah, let me tell you about my day so far. Also, don't mind my nose. I was really sick last week and it's still a mess, so I'm hoping that goes away during this trip. So my trip started out yesterday. I had school, woke up at 5 in the morning like always, went to school, had one student for a little bit, and then he went home early, so I was able to work on some things. After school, went out, got dinner, spent some time with a friend, and then I went and took an hour nap at about midnight. And then I woke back up at 1, finished packing, and then, sorry about the shakiness. Okay, I finished packing and I got a taxi to go to the airport. Got to the airport about 3 a.m., got through the line, got to my gate. My plane was departing at 5:20, so we got boarded. Finally got to fall asleep about 6 a.m. and maybe got 2 hours of sleep. So I had like 3 hours of sleep last night. I'm exhausted. But I flew to London. It was a 6-hour flight. It was really nice. Got to sleep. Got to just kind of chill. When I got to the airport, figured out how to get a SIM card so that I can use my phone, and then I needed to get an at-home COVID test for my trip tomorrow. I have to make sure that I am negative tonight. And then I went and figured out the underground system, so jumped on a train to one station, then had to get off and find another train to another station, and then tried to find the next station and didn't realize it was a bus until I asked a few people. So I was a little early for my hotel check-in, so I figured I'd find food. So I went and found this little area that was really cool. Like, all of the buildings are made out of different materials, and it had a bunch of different foods from all over the world. So I had some noodles and some dumplings from that. I got some mulled cider so that I could stay warm. It's pretty chilly here. It's 50 degrees, so not used to that since being in Kuwait. But no, it's been great. Instead of taking the bus, I decided to take the 15-minute walk, which was a little longer when I was carrying all of my luggage, but I got to stop by a park, enjoy the fresh air. My lungs are really liking the cold air, but yet not. My asthma's going crazy, so we'll see how that continues to go. But I'm currently in my hotel room. I'm going to take a nap, and then I'll probably film the hotel room a little bit so you guys can see it, and we'll see where tonight takes us. So here you can see my hotel room. Just like Jordan, I had to put the key in the holder so I could have lights. You walk in to the bedroom. I had a really beautiful view. The bed was nice and big. It had a little seating area where I kept my bags, even though I could have eaten there if I wanted to. And then here we go into the bathroom. Now that door is closed, but once you go into the bathroom and you open it, that is where the toilet is. So that door can close for the toilet or close for the bathroom. It was pretty nifty. And then of course you had the shower, and there it is. Here I was on our coach. This was the first day of our trip together. We have 51 of us traveling together, plus a tour guide and our driver. So you can see here we are driving through Europe, or through London, I mean, and we're crossing through the French border here. So we had to show our passports, and these were the beautiful cliffs of Dover. It was really a fantastic sight. And then you're going to see a map here where it shows you us crossing the English Channel, and then coming up will be us getting onto the ferry.
So it looks like the water is pretty calm, which is good news. It should be a nice, simple crossing. Sometimes it's very wavy across the English Channel, which is one of the busiest shipping routes in the whole world. The ships that leave the big ports of Bruges and Rotterdam, they all pass through the English Channel to then head out into the Atlantic, crossing around the globe. There'll be a viewing platform on this boat somewhere outside, in which you can take photos. It will be cold though. You'll find
Hope you enjoyed all the videos and pictures from London to France. I will be posting Paris in a video coming up, and then I will be posting Switzerland, Germany, all of the other places. I decided to break them up so that they're shorter videos, but still get a lot of information in them. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas, and in Omnia Prodis, ready for anything.